Today we're checking out Hot Wheels Skate. There's 6 different ones you collect, and also this one that's a warp dimension, which you could view with a 3D glasses, which is pretty interesting. And it has a special feature that I really like, and I'll show it to you in a minute. There's 4 different warped dimension ones, so there's quite a few that you could collect. Comes on a carded pack, and with the skateboard and 2 sneakers. And I really like the color of these sneakers. It's kind of hard to find sneakers that'll look good with your Harry Potter figures. These are black with a blue stripe to it, which is pretty cool. The shoes are made out of a soft rubber and fit onto their feet really well. And they don't fall off. I think these will also fit G.I. Jane's feet, and probably some of the more articulated kin feet. I think for high top sneakers, these are really cool. A really cool design. The skateboard itself is pretty cool. It's got the grip tape and the Hot Wheels logo on the top, and real metal trucks and like rubberized wheels. I think the skate's pretty cool looking. Skateboard is pretty cool looking. The shoes have an interesting feature to them. Aside from being very detailed, this little section pulls off, and then you could attach the shoe to the skateboard, and then the skateboard doesn't fall off. Or you could pose your action figures with the skateboard, with him on the skateboard in several different poses, and they won't fall off. Of course, you have to find a place to store the shoe section that you took off. But I think this is a kind of a cool feature, especially if you wanted to take pictures and videos of your action figures skateboarding. Then this is a cool option for that. Well, thanks for checking out my video. Let me know what you think. Do you like these skateboards? Do you collect some of these Harry Potter figures? I think they're pretty cool. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.